When I walked into the room, I was immediately greeted by a lash artist. No, robots aren't going to put these talented experts out of business. The lash artists are a very important part of the LUUM experience. They give you personal style consultations, pre-service lash prep, bespoke styling, and touch-ups after the robot does its work. She was extremely comforting and explained exactly what was going to happen before I climbed into a huge, plush lounger under a massive machine. I even got cozy socks and a weighted blanket, which helped me relax. Once I was laying under the robotic machine, the artist cleaned and prepped my lashes, then she put under-eye patches on my face that had little barcodes on them. These patches help to guide the machine when it's in action. Once I was ready to go, I was lowered under the machine with my eyes closed, and the artist let me know that the robot was about to begin. What happened next is what truly blew my mind. When LUUM tells you that getting extensions done by their machine feels like butterfly kisses, they aren't lying. It was the lightest, softest touch, so delicate I could barely feel it. Each eye took about 15 to 20 minutes, and it was so soothing, I almost fell asleep. Once I was finished, the artist pulled me out from the robot and spent an additional 30 minutes giving me touch-ups, so my eyelashes looked absolutely perfect. The result was wispy, fluffy lashes that I absolutely loved. They looked fantastic. When I told my friends I was getting robotic lash extensions, everyone's first question was the same: is that even safe? Trust me, I thought about it, too. Luckily, LUUM takes your face as seriously as you do. The company uses the most advanced robotics, computer vision, and AI to ensure that there's no way it can harm you. I didn't feel any discomfort for a single second while I was under the machine. If you so much as twitch, or sneeze, or anything at all, the machine senses it instantly. Additionally, the machine has been tested and approved by many doctors, lawyers, investors, and risk assessors. So you aren't one of the first people to be trying this out. Many have given it their stamp of approval. You can see that the robot assesses my lashes, picks up an extension, dips it into the adhesive, then lightly presses it onto each of my individual hairs. All I have to do is lay there. The artist even offered to play songs or a podcast of my choice while the service is happening. I could barely feel anything more than a tickle or light touch. It was so gentle. This is what my eyelashes looked like, completely bare, right before the artist put me under the machine. She made sure my eyes were squeaky clean before the extensions were applied. This is what my eyelashes looked like immediately after receiving LUUM robotic extensions. As you can see, they're fuller, longer, and thicker. I had no agitation or discomfort after getting them done. I appreciate that the lash artist took some time to make them perfect for me. So when LUUM is available to you, is it worth it? Honestly, I would say yes. The brand is working on making lash extensions faster, so by the time you can try it, you'll be saving time on top of getting an incredibly precise application. As someone with sensitive eyes, I appreciate how this gave me no discomfort both during and after the application. My lashes have never looked better, and I will definitely be going back. Rating.